Andy. My name is Cherie at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you so much for your interest in our pre-owned department and vehicles. I am so excited that you chose us to help you with that investment in your future. You chose the '09 Toyota Camry LE. It is right here beside me, but it needs to be in your driveway. So come on in a little closer. Let's take a look at it and see what you'll be getting before you come in for that test drive later on today. As you can see, the body is in great condition. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it does have a sunroof. You don't have a chrome accented grille, but you have a grille that I think is even better. It's the same color as the vehicle, which is gray. You do have the iconic Toyota symbol that is chrome, however. Love that about it. You had the projector headlights. Great tires. As we pan down the side of the vehicle, you'll again see that it is in great condition. This is a really good vehicle. Toyota makes an outstanding vehicle, as I'm sure you are aware, because you chose this vehicle. As we go inside the vehicle, you'll see that it has light gray leather interior. The leather has been taken care of. The previous owner did a great job on it. On the steering wheel, you'll notice it also has for your music, you can turn it up and down. We go into a little bit closer to the center. You'll see you have a CD player, FM, AM radio, AC for the summer, heat for the winter. This vehicle, I know you saw that price, Sandy, and that price and that amount of miles means it's not going to be here long. It needs a new home. What you can do, and what's the best thing to do, is to come on down today, because again, prices like this and miles this low, it is not going to be here long. 1591 Montgomery Highway in Hoover, right across from the big Wells Fargo Bank on Highway 31. Or better yet, give me a call to let me know what time you're going to be here. I'll have it gassed up and air conditioned, blowing really cold for you, so we can go on that test drive. Once you drive, you'll know why it needs to be in your driveway. My name again is Cherie at Tameron Hyundai. My cell phone number is 205-702